Cashless Society checking back here again today. I just wanted to quickly do a trade update since I did mention that I was going to potentially move my Chainlink somewhere as well as my Ocean, and I did end up doing both of those, so I'm going to talk about it really quick just to keep you updated. So I did exit all of my Link. I'm out of there. I also did say still stand by this. I think it probably has another leg up to probably close to 40 bucks, maybe 35 by the end of the month. Can definitely see that. But either way, it definitely does not hurt to sell parabolic breakouts. You can never feel bad taking profits in a situation like this, especially if you're confident with where you're going with the money. So what I did was I got rid of all that Link and I moved it over into XRP. I already have a huge position in XRP, but I honestly just don't care. As I mentioned, I truly do believe that you are here. So when reviewing this, I'm just, after talking through this out loud and making a video on it and everything, I'm just like, if I really believe that we are here, then why don't I add more? Because obviously the upside potential is going to be a lot more explosive than another 2-3x in Link. So I'm always looking to where's the next spot for me to make better returns. And right now, I believe that XRP is going to be probably the most explosive chart for the rest of this year. Maybe besides some little DeFi caps that go up 400,000%. I'm not looking for those. I'm looking for realistic stuff. I think overall DeFi as a whole is a distraction, and it's very similar to the ICO craze of 2017. That's my personal opinion, and another topic for a later video potentially. But anyway, I took my Link, I moved it to XRP, and I did so because I do believe we are here. So we'll see how this plays out. I'm always going to keep you updated. I'm always going to be honest because that's just how I'm going to do it on my channel. So with the Ocean position, so with Ocean, it wasn't crazy explosive. It wasn't a 10x or anything, which I think it can keep going. Like I said, I could see it getting up over $1 on another move, maybe even by the end of this month as well. $1.50 wouldn't surprise me. But I have always been a huge fan of Elastos. If those of you that have followed me for a little bit, maybe even on Twitter whatsoever, I am big on Elastos. This is one of my favorite projects in crypto in general. I still think it's highly undervalued. Tiny little market cap for what it's actually building. And I think it's worthy of a top 10 type project. So, didn't get rid of all my Ocean. I kept just a little bit of it. I sold probably, 80% and kept 20 of what I did have. And I moved that over back into Elastos. Because Elastos did have this quick run up, but it also had the pullback, and I think it's about to continue up. Elastos is still pending a big exchange listing, and what they said is going to be in the Western Hemisphere, so somewhere maybe in the United States area for an exchange is coming, and I think that is going to influence the price as well. I think Elastos is primed to blow up, so I am adding more to that position, because I think I got a good move off of Ocean, and long term I'm a lot more bullish on Elastos as a project as a whole. All right, and that about wraps it up for my trade update. Like I said, I just want to be honest with you guys and let you know what I'm doing, because ultimately this is where the bread and butter of my channel is going to come from, is trade updates and trading ideas as a whole. So yep, as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for the next one.
What is a cashless society? What does it actually mean in a literal or high-level sense?
Money will become like these, relics of a different age, and will only be found in places like this. In other words, hard cash will disappear. It will become electronic, transferred by things like these.
Then Tracy is in Beijing to show us what a nearly cashless society actually looks like. Ben, good morning.
Mobile payment transactions in China reached a cumulative total of 277.4 trillion RMB in 2018. ranking #1 in the world, according to the recently released statistical report on internet development in China. As of June 2019, online payment users in the country reached 633 million. The Cashless Society is now approaching.
When's the last time you paid with cash? Well, chances are cash has taken a backseat to the plastic in your wallet and smartphone pay apps.
Denver 7's Ryan Luby explains the digital pay revolution and why not everyone is on board.
The Cashless Society, the Cashless Society.
The Cashless Society.
The Cashless Society is now approaching.
The Cashless Society.